You ever look in the mirror, grab that stubborn belly fat, and wonder why it just won't go away? No matter how hard you train, you do everything right. You sweat through brutal workouts, you skip the desserts, you even bought that fancy fat burner that promised six-pack abs in a week. But there it is, the same muffin top, the same love handles, the same double chin when you look down at your phone. Here's the cold truth. You've been lied to. Spot reduction is a myth, but what I'm about to show you will change how you think about fat loss forever. If you stay with me till the end of this video, you'll finally understand how to get rid of stubborn fat the right way. And I'll even break down exactly how to train your body so when the fat comes off, you look lean, strong, and defined. This is the video you've been waiting for. So don't skip ahead, because if you miss these details, you'll keep making the same mistakes. Let's kill the biggest myth first. No workout, no miracle cream, no 3-minute plank challenge is going to melt fat from just your belly or your thighs or your love handles. Your body doesn't work like that. Imagine your fat stores are like draining a swimming pool. You don't get to choose which corner empties first. The whole water level drops evenly, but some spots take longer to show. When you lose fat, your body decides where it burns it from first and last, and it's all driven by genetics. Some people lose face fat first, others lose it from their legs or arms. But the most stubborn spots, they're always last. Most people fail because they don't know this. They start a new workout, eat clean for 2 weeks, check their belly, and nothing. The scale moves a little. Maybe your face looks slimmer, but your waistline is still there. You get discouraged. You think you're doing something wrong, but you're not. You're just not giving it enough time. Your problem area is the last to shrink. So if you quit when you don't see immediate changes in your stubborn spots, you're cutting yourself off before your body can do what you want. Stay patient. This is your biggest edge. So what's the secret? It's simple, not easy, but simple. You need to lose overall fat. That means you have to be in a consistent calorie deficit, burning more calories than you eat. And here's what you should do differently. Combine that deficit with smart strength training to build muscle underneath the fat. This won't speed up the fat loss in that exact spot, but when the fat goes, the muscle underneath gives you shape, definition, and that tight look you're chasing. Let's break down exactly what to do, area by area, with step-by-step details so you perform each exercise right. 1. Belly fat. Don't waste time on endless crunches expecting to melt belly fat, but do train your abs to build core strength and definition. Try this. Hanging knee raises. Grab a pull-up bar with an overhand grip. Keep your shoulders engaged. Raise your knees slowly towards your chest. Squeeze your abs tight at the top. Hold for a second. Lower your legs slowly, resisting gravity. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Slow, controlled. Focus on feeling the burn in your lower abs. 2. Love handles. Build your obliques. Strong obliques tighten your waistline once the fat melts. Try this. Side plank. Hip dips. Get into a side plank, elbow under your shoulder. Stack your feet or keep one knee down if you're a beginner. Lower your hip towards the floor. Drive it back up, squeezing the side of your core. Go for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps each side. Slow, steady, full range of motion. 3. Thigh fat. Train your legs to look powerful, not flabby when the fat comes off. Try this. Bulgarian split squats. Stand a few feet in front of a chair or bench. Rest the top of one foot behind you on the bench. Lower your back knee towards the floor. Keep your front knee aligned with your ankle. Drive through your front heel to stand up. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per leg. Squeeze your quads and glutes at the top. Face fat. The only trick for face fat is keep losing overall fat. No jawline workout or face yoga is going to spot reduce it. Stay in your calorie deficit. The face fat will be one of the first or last things to go, depending on your genetics. Here's how to put it all together. Stay in a small calorie deficit every day, not too aggressive. You want to keep your energy and your muscle. Strength train at least 3 times per week. Focus on compound movements like squats, lunges, push-ups, and pull-ups. Add cardio for extra burn, but don't rely on it. Cardio is a tool, not the answer. Strength and muscle matter more for how you look when fat is gone. Be patient. Don't quit when your stubborn fat doesn't move fast. That's when it's working. Look, fat loss is simple science, but staying consistent, that's where you win. So don't fall for shortcuts. Stay in a deficit, train smart, trust the process. And when your body drops fat, that stubborn spot will finally go too. Stick with me. Subscribe, hit the bell, because I'll keep giving you no BS advice you can use at home. And if you want to train with me step by step, get my free strength plan. Links in the description. Drop a comment. Where's your most stubborn fat? Let's get through it together. Stay strong. See you in the next one.